Hello, welcome to my technical analysis on cryptocurrency. I'll be doing a number of coins, the ones that I think have a lot of potential, and I'll give you a breakdown as to why I think they will do well. And people do pretty obviously the Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've already done that, and I've posted it. Today I'll do Aave, and I'll continue on with the other charts from time to time. And so if you join my channel, please give me a like and a tick to follow. And I'll continue to give you some updates as to how I see the charts performing, and we'll take it from there. So my name is Sam. I've been trading for a few years, and I thought I'd take the next step and start sharing my knowledge. I do share my posts on TradingView, so you can follow me on the link that I supply. And there's a lot of opportunities where I do give people free signals where they can make some money. And moving forward, I'd like to bring it, have a number of followers and a community, and continue what others do. But I think I have much more things to offer. Obviously, I'm new at this. I'm not the best in making presentations, but hopefully over time, I'll start making it more interesting with software and I suppose making it non-plain screen, add music and so on, and just to make it more interesting. But I'm learning as I go. So in front of me is Aave. It's a 1 hour chart. What you can see there is a number of things, pretty much a reaccumulation structure. So if we zoom out, you can see that Aave had a flat period, and which most alts did, and then the burst of the alt season. And you can see for people that are new to charts, there are phases that we go through. What I want to do is get a drawing tool if I can. Okay, so we do have a drawing tool here. So we have a pause and a macro formation, second pause or second base, third base, and then we have the top. So you can see the impulses getting bigger and bigger, and then we have the top, which is the 0.5, and then we have the A, B, C, and up it goes. So we have this double bottom formation, and just putting it simplistically, we have this triangle, which is a bullish structure, and we're looking at this point for it to break out. It might drop back a bit and break out, but at the same time, it can go up and test this resistance line and break out. So let me just clear the screen. That can be messy. So basically, that's what I'm trying to explain with all this more detail information. So if you were to look at this chart, let me pick a different pen, and if I can make it thinner, even better. Let's see what kind of... No, it doesn't give you those options. So we had this ascending wedge, which is a bearish structure, and usually when you break out of a wedge of this nature, the target is usually the base of it. So that's what we have. That was the base, and then you can see price coming down to the base. So that explains that. And in many cases, when you do an impulse or Elliott wave, there's five waves. So from 0 to 1 to 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the Elliott wave, as they call. Usually 3 to 4 is complex. It could be very complex formation, and then 5. And what happens after 5, you have a B, C correction. And so what we have here is A, B, C correction. So I did say that was 0.5. You see the A, B, C correction, and then you find that it has confluence with this level here, with this structure. So it's not complicated. Aave is pretty good It's easier to see and read. And once you get that understanding, then when price has another wedge formation and breaks down, A, B, C, again, we have a double bottom. And so now we're feeling confident that the double bottom is being confirmed, and we can see that price is broken up, and now it's testing this resistance line. So what you can see is I've got two lines, one that pretty much uses where there's a lot of traffic or a lot of candles, and the other one is the wicks. So I just put that there, and you can see that Aave's just touched that wick. So things are looking up. So let me go in closer, and you can see that we're actually broken through, and it's possible that it will continue. So we can have a thin line there. You can see that wick is broken through. We have this structure, and pretty much that structure is a bullish flag. So we've got that, 1, 2, 3, and up. So I'm expecting the breakout to be the height of this structure, somewhere there, and then a pullback. So let's use the other tool. I want to clear it, but how do I clear it? Clear screen. So what I want to do is measure this structure. Okay, that's the height of the structure, and so what we tend to do is grab the height of the structure and apply it to the breakout. So we have that point, and if we were to just find what confluence that has, you can see that. So we can pull that down just to make it more accurate. Touching points or points of resistance are here. So we've got a lot of confluence here, and you can see here there's also a resistance. So that'll be the next level, roughly around there. And I dare say, let me get the pen. It might just test this level before it goes up and hits that. If we have a decisive break above it, even better, then we can expect a touch on this level, a retest, and then continue on to the first target. And then we might have some motion there. It might go. It could go down to this level, but I doubt it. I think it'll crash